Dame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perderlo.
Yeah, my name is Jaya. I come from Nagpur city and I have a degree in MBA as well as counseling psychology from IGNO. And I used to be working in multinational companies in the customer care as well as IT. And I know that stress is a major factor because we are working night shifts round the clock, and it's very difficult to manage both home and work. And if you have a family, you have to contribute towards them also. So many issues can arise, and you need somebody to understand you. And stress, if it is goes out of control, it can lead to depression. So I feel that it is an interesting topic to talk about and know the views of others as well.
Yeah, Jaya, continue, continue. Jaya,
I am also
yeah,
looking for.
you can
Yes.
continue all the chat, the question which are there in chat box. You can continue, start talking, no problem. It's your turn.
Okay. How do you help someone who is stressed? How do I help someone who is stressed? What do you do when you feel stressed? Mm, well, for me, stress. When I am stressed, I prefer to listen to music or I prefer to read. I don't like anybody around me when they are, if they are not my close friends, or if somebody is trying to be authoritative. I try not tell my problems to my parents all the time. I try to discuss it with my friends mostly. I read the Bible, which also gives me a kind of relief to understand what God is trying to tell me in that particular situation. So that is also a very good way of learning. I can go for walks. Sometimes I take walk for around 30 minutes, and when I come back I think new thoughts because it brings energy into me, new freshness into me. So these are the ways I try to avoid feeling too stressed. uh, how do you help someone who is stressed? I think it's best to let the person speak. When a person is stressed out, you don't add more advices after advices to them. Let them open up their heart and speak whatever is their concern. If you cannot advise them, at least be there as a friend, help them through the process. Sometimes just sitting by someone's side, just having a coffee together or going out with them somewhere, taking them out from the closed environment, it can help them. uh, what do you do when I said that? Are you going at control? Are you good at controlling stressful situations? Well, yes. Sometimes I feel I have short temper, but at the same time, I don't keep any grudges in my heart against somebody if somebody is being rude to me. I forget it very fast. So I don't add pressure on my mind too much. But if somebody is angry, I let them vent their anger and finish off their thoughts so that I can understand why they are angry and what makes me stressed. Uh, Stress can be from different factors. Like if you're going for an important meeting and you're stuck in traffic, you can feel stressed. uh, it can be through your children. If your students are not doing their work in time, that can cause stress to you. If your friends and family are not able to understand you, then you can feel stressed. It can be on various aspects. So it's not, it can be individualistic or it can be from others also. So it can be environmental. Uh, so everyone has gone through stress. There are two types of stress actually: eustress and distress. There is a, if you draw a bell curve according to the map, if you draw a bell curve, there are two levels to it. One is positive stress, which is eustress, and one is distress, which is caused by negative factors. So eustress is good for you because if you are little bit stressed, like if a lion is in front of you, you have this adrenaline in you, whether you will run or you will try to help, escape from there, or you'll fight that lion. So it's like that. But if it is making something good out of you, then it is called eustress, and it is a positive stress. But if it's leading you into depression, it is called distress. Do I suffer from anxiety? Sometimes I do, not always. But I try to meditate, and that helps me to recover. And I have gone through a depression, which has been like from 2006 until 2010. So it was a major time in my life, which was caused by external factor due to a family member, and it affected me psychologically. But I tried to overcome it through education. I tried to educate myself to learn how to overcome these situations. It's best to walk away from people who are negative than being with them. So this is my contribution towards you. All right, Mohammed, you can go on.
Thank you, Jaya. It's very nice, yeah.
Thank you.
So we need a like your yeah, we need you like in our like session. So
Okay,
you always come here in our sessions.
I'll try my best.
Thank you, thank you.
You are speaking very well. I
Very
mean,
well,
there are a lot
very
to learn from you.
really.
So
Thanks,
definitely,
guys.
We required you really. If you daily come in our sessions when you have time, so you can please come. Okay.
Surely, definitely.
definitely we need your help, and we need help from someone who already good speaker, or I mean, someone who has already gone through this stage, and I mean, how can we improve better. So definitely, these kind of suggestions we need, and we are trying hard to improve.
Surely, I'll do that. What about your individual contribution? What do you think about this question?
Okay, all will come one by one. They are also coming. Suraj, Suraj, Suraj.
Okay, let me first. How do you help someone who is stressed? Basically, I think most people's problem is that they have to talk, nobody to talk. So, uh, first thing I will do is I am become a good listener. I hear that what to they were going to say.
Oh, yeah.
As Elizabeth said, hello, okay, hello.
I think all mute all those who are not those who have a background noise. Please mute yourself. Oh my God, he's went. Okay, no problem. Rajiv, you can continue. He, he left.
Okay.
He left. Yeah.
Yeah. So hi, good evening, everyone. So first point is, how do you help someone who is stressed? So I'm not I'm not saying I'm a good psychiatrist, but I try my best to talk to them, or as just our fellow said. In that case, I try to listen uh, them a lot, so that I mean, he or she can express what she is feeling. I mean, what he is feeling depressed about, so he can share their thoughts. It definitely, after that, he or she will feel relaxed after that. So, and you can I mean, what I have gone through this situation. So my friend was a little bit depressed. So what I did, I bring him. I asked him to come at my place, and we together spent few days with my family. So after that, after spending 1 week in a different environment, he was feeling relaxed after spending few days. So sometime you need to so what I understand is, sometimes you need to move out of the situation which you are feeling stress about. So suppose I'm at a place and I'm feeling some stress about my family, yeah, or someone around me that causing me to get stressed. So I should change my place and I should go somewhere, or we should think whatever we are getting stress. So I think these kind of things really help. So second question is, what do you do when you feel stressed? So yeah, definitely everyone feels stress in their life. So sometimes it's might be quick for few hours. Someone feels for a long time. So but when I feel stress, I just spend time with my kids and my family, and it's I feel relaxed after that. So these kind of things really help me. Sometimes I talk to my friends and I share my views, I share my uh, problems, and that after talking to them, and I feel relaxed after that. Third point is, are you good at consulting stressful situations? So I can say is I can handle my situation, but I'm not good at handling the situation if someone else is feeling stress, because I'm not uh, talkative person. I'm a bit kind of introvert. So I think the people who are more talkative, who are more funny, can help in this situation if someone is feeling stress. uh, Fourth question is, what make you stressed? Yeah, it's really uh, good question. So sometime when you are in a comfortable situations, and you are feeling that you are good at that, and you feel rejection at that time, then definitely you feel some depressed about, you feel stressed. So in the IT world, sometimes we feel I'm in IT, so sometimes we feel stressed whenever we have a very good, a very tight schedule, and something going wrong, we don't have any control on it. So it's just create a situation which bit stressful. So these kind of situations, or sometime in a office, you are sometimes you are in a politics, bad politics, and you don't have any control. Your even your colleague, your managers, all are not in your favor. So these kind of stressful situations arises in the office. Sometimes it's happen in the family as well, due to some circumstances. It's a bit stressful situations in the family as well. So these kind of things which make me stressful. So do you suffer from anxiety? Sorry, I always feel trouble with this word. So do you suffer from
Can I ask?
anxiety, or know anyone who does? So sometime I suffer, but very less. I try my best to spend my time with my friends and my colleagues, and whenever I'm missing these parties and all the enjoyment which I do with my friends. So definitely, whenever I feel anxiety, I do some kind of uh, uh, party. That parties really relaxed me and motivate me for. So we schedule a party ahead of. I mean, bit ahead. So like, and I have a very good group which we travel a lot. So in a year, we 3 to 4 times we uh, travel together. So these kind of things really help me to get out of it. So thank you guys. Thank you for hearing.
Yeah, Subhankar. Thank you, Raji. Thank you. It's very nice. Subhankar.
Okay, okay. Wait a minute. So thank you so much, Mohammed. Actually, I am quite busy, so I think so. I said that I would be the next. So the first question is, how do you help someone who is stressed? Now we need to understand that we need to understand the person first. That the person is actually stressed, or it is the human nature of that particular person.
For example, I had seen many people who are always introvert, and their face are not well, they are not much happy all the time, but it doesn't mean that they are actually stressed something because this is the basic nature for any reason of the soul. In order to help someone, we need to understand that what is the problem the person is going through, right? We cannot we cannot simply motivate that person to please go out of your depression, please don't depress, and please don't feel stressed out. And, and unless we are not going to, until and unless we are not going to know the exact reason to that to the for the particular person, that why the person is feeling depressed or why the person is feeling anxious, we cannot
Can I
help that
interrupt
particular
you
person. Yeah,
with
yes, yes,
talking?
yes, yes, yeah.
In which topic are you talking about? You can
Yeah,
just
mentioned in the chat box.
what you
Mentioned in the
said.
chat box.
Okay, okay, that is mentioned in chat box.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Okay, should I continue?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sure, sure.
So I request please switch off your microphone. I think it would create the echo otherwise.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So what I was saying that in order to help with someone, we should know the exact reason behind the same. And until and unless we don't know that particular reason, we cannot help that particular person. So if we are feeling that the person is, if we are feeling, if we are, the person is showing the symptoms, so we just go and ask her that what is, sir, why are you feeling low or why are you feeling such, and then we can talk to that particular person. So I know that people are feeling alone when they are going through such tough situation. We simply can say that you must cry. If you want to cry, just cry. And right, we always sometimes we always want the other person to give the shoulder. So we can give that particular shoulder to that particular to that person. So just you should cry first and then tell the situation, because sometimes you cry a lot and lot can also makes you stress free. And then we can talk about the solution. Now talking to the second question, when do you feel stressed? See, there is a no such a particular reason that when I do get fairly stressed, but sometimes there are the family situations are something like that. We have to manage the work, you have to manage the studies, and I am right now feeling from these things. So when I depart from the office and I have to study for the exams, I really feel so stressed because I'm not giving the equal attention to my studies and the same attention to my work as well. So this is for to making me so feel stressed, but still I this is the reason mostly right now I am facing to get anxious about. Now talking about the third question, are you good at controlling the stressful situations? See, it depends on the situation. The situations which I had already controlled, I had already faced in my life, I can control the same. But the situations are which are actually new to me. I need someone's help to control the same. If I had not faced that particular situation ever before, so it won't be easy for me to deal with it, right? So but the situation which I already faced, I think I can go for it. What makes you stress? I think the question is already I discussed that the pressure on my mind, the career pressure, income pressure, these kind of things, especially when you are being rejected by somebody. And as I am a CA student, the CA course is really very tough. The exams are really very tough to pass the exams. There are only 4%, 5% percentage. So that makes me really scared that whether I am going to become a chartered accountant or not, whether I would be able to clear my exams or not. This is what something which makes me stress. Talking about, do you suffer from the anxiety or know anyone who does? Yes, obviously, uh, because actually the in my family itself, my father is the one who is a victim of a depression for the last couple of years due to certain personal reasons. So I know actually that what exactly the anxiety is, and when the anxiety converts in the depression, now so it's not something which cannot be cured, which can be cured just within a day. It becomes a part of the life, and sometimes it tunes your entire life internally. This is what I had faced. I had seen in my personal family itself. So but still what I would say is that there is nothing which can be which can be permanent, and there's nothing which cannot be cured. If we take the simple steps, for example, meditation is the best solution in order to release the pressure of the mind, right? Like a pressure cooker, there's a pressure cooker. I think if there would be no whistle in the pressure cooker, sometime it is going to be blast. But if we have that particular if we have that the whistle, so if we have that it would not be blasted, the situation will be balanced. And I think you were trying to analyze my analogy. I had just simply said what I strike in my mind coincidentally. So that is the reason which I feel the while meditating, your entire thoughts, so the wrong type of thoughts are tends to release, and you interact, you let to know that your inner self, your inner soul. See, then you can realize that what is the things you are being stressed for are actually immaterial, are actually irrelevant in the long run. Just try to simply try to think that what I am feeling stress for will is it is going to be matter for me after 5 years. The answer in most of the cases would be no. So if it is not going to be affect me in the long term, why should I feel stressful? The second thing is that just jot down the emotions on the paper. It is very very important. So your diary and your paper, your pen sometimes becomes a very best friend, a very good friend, because once you let your emotions down on the paper, it makes you really free from inside. This is what something which I feel. And above that, just share what you can, from whom to whom you can share your problems, right? Especially I would suggest, yes, the friends plays a pivotal role in the life, and sometimes, but sometimes we cannot actually talk to the friends also openly about the situations. I think yes, it is also difficult to talk to the family members, but talking to the family members is always on the safer side. They would never give you the wrong suggestion, and because if you are talking to any senior, for example, your elder brother, sister, your parents would be the one. So they will give you the best solution, and I think all they might have correlate. They may correlate with your situation, right? So they are going to give a proper solution, and sometimes we just sharing something can make you really stress free and gives you the solution. The thing Other thing is that you should worship. I think you may think that I am a kind of orthodox person, that I am talking about the worship, but that really makes me feel good, right? Once you go into the temple or masjid or wherever you feel, or in the church, and just sit down and talk to that particular god, and just sit down and just cry, and whatever you can do, that makes you gives you some energy deep within, and that gives you a ray of hope. This is the energy, is the power, this is something. Just connect yourself with that particular power which operates the entire world, which operates the entire universe. Then you can feel something good deep inside. So that's what I want to mention about the stress. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, actually I'm running out of time. Okay, because I am getting the notification from Zoom. So first I fastly I will complete. Okay, and if again it will be terminated, please come again. Okay, I will send you the link again. Okay, no problem. Okay, don't no, you can join again also. So how do you help someone who is stressed? If you are talking about me, okay, first I need to understand what are the what kind of problem this person is suffering, where he what kind of, like, where he is suffer, what is his actual problem. First I need to understand. When I will understand his problem, then I can suggest him I can help him, that what you need to do. Okay, so so first I need to, in underline, I need to understand the situation. After this, if any kind of help is required, so I can help also. But if it is not in my control, so what I will do, I tell, I can tell them, I can guide him to meet my other friend also, so I can suggest him some good things also. Okay, so and second question is, uh, what do you do what do you do when you feel stress? Yeah, about me, when I stress, I used to watch a lot of movies. Okay, because stress is nothing but one kind of thought. Okay, one thought is running your mind, it will killing your it is killing your mind. So we need, I want to ignore this thought. Okay, so for the because I know if one kind of thought is coming, okay, in your mind, and it will it daily you are that thought is killing you every day. This thought is coming, it will killing you. So this stress will become an anxiety. So then I understand, before become this thought, this stress into a large amount of like stress which is not controlled by me. So what I will do, I try to ignore this kind of thought by doing some kind of travels. I will do traveling. Okay, because I know if I do traveling, what right now I'm here, if I go in another place, my thought will be clean. Okay, so I use otherwise I watch some kind of some good movies I watch. Okay, so this is also one of the ways there. So I can switch and I can ignore my stress. Are you good at controlling stressful situation? Sometimes that's why I'm saying, if I'm not following, if I'm not following like some kind of like, I know this is stress is there. Okay, this is stress is there. If I'm not understanding, if I'm not controlling now only, so I know it will be very difficult for me to control this kind of thought. Okay, so I try my best way to control this thought. Okay, this stress. Okay, what makes you stress? Yeah, if if you look for like if I make some plan, if I'm not able to execute this kind of plan, it makes me it makes me a very stress. Okay, sometimes I make a plan like I need to wake up early and early in the morning, but I couldn't. Okay, so what I will do, so that kind of thought is coming in mind. Oh Muhammad, why you are not doing? You have a plan, you have a big plan, but you are not able to do it. So that's kind of thoughts are coming in my mind. Okay, you can do it, but why I'm not able to do it? So if I'm not performing the plan, if I'm not performing if I'm not able to execute my plan, so it will create some kind of stress. Okay, and some other problem is also there, like in the work also I'm getting so much of some of stress, because they had given me some kind of task. Okay, in company they had given some kind of task which I am not able to do it, but solution I am not getting till evening also, and a task I need to submit at night only. So I am suffering. If I want to get this kind of solution, I get stress. So this is a reason also I get stress. Do you suffer from anxiety or know anyone who does? No, I am till now I didn't suffer from any kind of anxiety. Okay, thank you, thank you.
Like to first I like to think about those kind of things which is from suffering from, or I would like to try to make those kind of positive points, or try to involve him. Some noisy, I think.
Aziz, Ravi, Muhammad Abid.
Yes, yes.
You can
Okay.
you can turn off your microphone. Yeah.
Okay.
So what is the situation that what kind of thing he has done from, or what kind of thing he has done, so that's why the thought is coming to his mind, that, or why what he's done, so that is why he's stressing so much. So I'll try to rectify those kind of things, and I will add some positive points, or whatever the positive thing he has done, and try to make more feel relaxed, and try to do such kind of tactics for him to help him to come up from this situation. And so that is the thing. And now next one is, what do you feel when you stress? What do you do when you feel stress? Okay. So basically for me it is like when I feel a lot of stress sometimes, because you know about I actually for a personal, as per my personal view, I actually feel a lot of stress. So for that time I actually try to do some kind of you can say some mental exercises. I try to breathe more, I try to inhale more and then exhale more. I try to drink a lot of water. I try to watch those kind of things which I actually watched in my childhood, so that I can get some kind of good memories or good positive vibes from those kind of things. I try to motivate myself. I try to look into my past, that what are the things which I had done in my previous days. So anytime I help someone for, or helping someone before, so that that person gets something in their life, some good thing in their life. So I try to recall those things, and then I try to get some things from those things, and then I get my thing out from this kind of situations. So, are you good at controlling stressful situations? I am not good, but I'm. You can say that I'm less than average, but I'm trying. I'm working on it. That how I can do some things. I'm practicing yoga. I'm practicing some kind of home exercises, and you can say I'm also practicing some mental exercises so that I can overcome from this kind of situation. Because um, so you can actually, these kind of things happen to everyone, but the basically the mind, or you can say the power or the will to come out from the situation is the best thing in the world. So what makes you stressed? So basically the lot of things actually make me stressed more. When I look into some thoughts from my past coming into mind, that kind of thing also make me stressed, that why I not able to perform at the time completely, or some kind of health problem happened with me or my family. So that kind of thing actually gets I get more stressful at time. So I need to work on it, and I know that someday I will be able to make myself more comfortable, and I able to do some good things here. So, do you suffer from anxiety? And no, so actually, yeah, in my past days, I'm not suffered from anxiety, but I think I suffer from some kind of stress. But not that is not a big issue, because everyone suffer from this. But the ability, or you can say the potential to come up from this is a big challenge. And the one who actually come up from the situation is the most happiest person, you can say, because then he or she can able to control his or own mind, and actually take some good decision. Because when we are in stress now, our mind actually got blocked, and we cannot take some good decision at a time. So I think that we need to work on it, and to come out from the situation to take good decision at a time, because it is at the time that our mind work on a very critical phase, and that is the most we need, is to come out from the situation and try to make our mind more comfortable to take good decisions. Thank you. I'm done.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Abid, Mohammad Abid.
Yes, yes.
Now it's your turn.
Hello.
Yes, it's your turn. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thanks. Okay. First, how do you help someone who is stressed? First, I try to understand the circumstances in which he are or she are. Means, and I will try to give my more and more time to him or her, and I try to indulge him in other work, because I think change of action can reduce the stress. Means, if you are stressed through some action, so if you change your action, or if you indulge yourself in other type of work, in this way you can reduce your stress. And second, what do you do when you feel stressed? Mostly the time when I feel stressed, because mostly the time when I feel stressed, means I indulge myself in positive work. Means I try to seek the shelter through namaz, and sometimes I go on walk and spend the time with loneliness, and it's me stressed. And
I'm not good at English, but I will try my best. How do you help someone who is in stress? We can help them by giving good suggestions and recommending motivational videos and motivational books, like that. We can help them by giving that things. And what do you do when you feel stress? I do meditation, and I do watch motivational videos whenever I get stress. And are you good at controlling stressful situation? And it is depend on the situation, but I can control my stress, and I can control my emotion. And what makes you stress? What makes you stress? When I have a plan, but I cannot finish my plan. I could not finish my plan. I will be getting stress. And do you suffer from anxiety, or know anyone who does? Yeah, till now I haven't suffered from anxiety, but my friends were there with suffering from anxiety. Uh, for them, I have given that I have given them motivation to recover the anxiety. That much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Devjani. Devjani, your turn. Devjani. Otherwise, Rafai.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes.
Then continue.
I was not able to unmute it.
I ping you also.
Okay.
Okay, Muhammad, how are you?
Fine.
Okay. So the first thing is how do you help someone who is in stress? Okay. So first thing is that a person who is in stress, we cannot give him advice that do this, you don't be in stress and all. If we say like this to him, no, he will be more stressful. So best thing is that what I feel is that a person who is in stress, we must listen to him first. Why he is so much stressful? What happened to him actually? We must put ourselves in his feet, in his shoes. We should put ourselves in his shoes. What kind of thing he is going through and why he is so much stressful about his life and all. So in this way he will feel relaxed and he will tell you everything that is happening in him, and in by that way you will, when you will listen to him, no, he will feel a sort of supportiveness, or he can rely on you. So and he will express everything to you. In this way, when he will express to you, then only you can solve his problem, that what he can do to overcome this stress. First of all, we have to listen to him to know what he's going through. So this is the first thing. Secondly, um, I met a person personally who was in stress, and I helped him come out from the stress. I'm very thankful for that. I'm thankful to God that I was able to make him come out from the stress. First and foremost, the way I told you, I listened to him, what he is doing and all, what happened to him, everything I listened from him, and later on I told him to do some yoga and all, not exactly yoga, meditation and all. By doing 1 week of his meditation and all, he was able to become happy. That was not stressful actually. That he was in depression, total depression. So from that, I could revive him to normal. So I'm very happy for that. Second question is, what do you do when you feel stress? Okay, first and foremost, when I feel stress, you cannot avoid it. You cannot avoid stress. It always comes in your mind and you feel stressful and all. Thing is that you need to be very conscious about it, that no, I'm taking too much stress. You have to be, you should talk to yourself, no, you are taking too much stress. Now please don't think all this, think something good, or do some if possible, every morning start doing yoga or meditation. That will help you come out from the stress. Acha. What you are you good at controlling stressful situations? I think I'm really good at controlling stressful situations, because I go through a lot of stress, and I think, and I'm able to control it. What makes you stressed? To failure to do something makes me stressful. If I want to do something and I'm not able to do, or I have a plan and I'm not able to do, or I fail in that plan, that makes me really stressful. Acha. Do you suffer from anxiety? No, I haven't yet suffered from anxiety. Do you know anyone who does? Yes, I know, and I also helped him from coming out from that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirjani. Thank you. Rafai.
Hello?
Yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, thank you. So how do you help someone who is stressed? First of all, I do say, first of all, I have
something like that. Okay, if it is about the mental stress, then take the meditation. It very useful and very hard. I mean to say it's work really. Okay, and the second question is, how do you do when you feel stress? Okay, if it is about me, stress after the I feel a stress after the work, then I used to take a coffee. I used to go to the coffee shop and take the coffee, because the coffee is very useful and very work really. After you get the stress, it's really work that you come out from the stress. It's really work on your body. And there are different type of coffee. I would like to suggest you that cappuccino is also good without milk. With the milk is not good. Without milk, if you take the cappuccino coffee, it's really work that you come out from the stress. Okay. Second things, are you good? What is it good? It means there is a misspell, I think. Are you good at controlling stressful situation? I cannot say that I'm a good. I think sometimes it's work, sometimes it's not work. But this depends after the work. What's the going on after? I will to say after the work. If there is a party going on, if there is a something happen, I mean to say good things will happen after the work. Then yeah, it's really works in a short time. But if after the works and I'm already in a stress, and after then there is a no enjoy, I mean to say no enjoyment moment will happen, then it's really take time. So yeah, I cannot say I'm good. I'm just say I'm normal in this situation. Okay. So the second last question is, what makes you stress? Yeah, it's what makes you stress. I mean to say some question. Some people come to me, some person come to me, and they ask a nonsense question, and they I mean to say they're trying to ask again and again. When I already when I already understand, when I already, I mean to say already I say him, this is the thing, this is the thing. They again try to ask to me. That's make me very stressed. And sometimes I used to give the work to the some of the my, I mean to say persons, your client, whatever. And when at the time of the end, I used to go to the site and I look there, is there work complete on a time? The work is, if the work is not complete at the time, then it's maybe more stress. Really, so disturbed, so stressed. So these are all the things. Yeah, if some people ask me nonsense question, this make me more stress really. Okay. So the last question is, do you suffer from anxiety? And you and know anyone who does? Yeah, anxiety. Yeah, it is just about me, not about me. I don't say it's about the world. Okay, right now we never expect the lockdown will happen. Coronavirus will come. We never expect these things. Okay. If it is about my personal life, I never, I mean to say I never gone through from this type of situation, wherever at the before time I never go this type of situation in my life. So yeah, this has happened with me when the coronavirus comes, and just they make me 3 months of lockdown, no business, no salary. I mean to say this, all the things make me so anxiety. Yeah, this has happened with me, and this has happened with my all the colleagues, all the company member. Thank you, Mohammed. I finished.
Thank you, Aziz. Very nice. Rafai, again you can try also. Rafai. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Now I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
So okay, thank you. So how do you have someone who is dead? So first of all, I will try to understand the problem and see what is happening with him or her. That why suddenly from that side. That is, I will